Hi, this is Mark for the Muse Group Training and Development. This intensive course in business acumen focuses on the effective leadership skills you need to excel as a business leader in middle or high management. It is a blend of business essentials covered over 5 days. On day 1, we'll cover strategic visionary and human resource management fundamentals. The second day will be about how to use accounting information for cost control and decision making. We'll also go deeper into ethics and leadership. On the third day, we'll focus more on transforming personality differences into collaborative productivity and how to create a competitive advantage for your organization. The fourth day will cover information technology, business process reengineering, and how to understand and interpret financial statements. Finally, on day 5, there will be a long simulation session that will bring together everything you learned in the previous 4 days. This will give you the advantage of experiential and discovery training. Our methodology in training is to combine the theoretical, practical, and simulation sessions with each other in one intensive training course. This ensures that each candidate obtains both the knowledge and skills needed to perform as a successful manager. We guarantee that our training will provide you the complete set of skills you would not be able to get yourself through self-study. Only 20 candidates have the opportunity to join this course, so book your seat now and enjoy the event. You can also download the full brochure by clicking the button at the right side of this video. All the best, and we'll see you in class.